Hey, check this out. Here I am in the red car, the Ready to Go. I'm battling out with Vlad here, and so I decided to drive off. Let's watch what he does. Look, he turns around and he decides he wants to follow me. But look at this. I want to show you this moment right here. So he decides to follow me, and whoa, what was that we just saw there? It looked like he drove right over the edge of the roadway there. Let's see that again, carefully in slow motion here. Now here he's coming. I want to freeze the frame right here and show you this. Look, both of his front wheels are off of the edge of the road right there. They're completely off. Now let's swing around to the other side and look at his rear end. Now you can see that one of his wheels is completely off the road. The entire weight of the engine, whoa, is hanging off the edge of the road, and yet he doesn't fall. Now the reason I'm showing you this is that I want to make the point that the artificial intelligence in the game, the artificial intelligence engine has control, a certain amount of control, or maybe complete control, over the physics engine. Someone on the Carmageddon forums, one of the players said, oh no, the various engines are totally separate, and then the AI does not have control over the other engines. I want to show that that isn't true. Now look here, oh wow. So he follows me, Vlad follows me over here, and look at this, it's like a three-for-all here. We got three other opponents, they're all gathered around. Oh wait, what? Oh, so look at this, I just hit a solid granite car power-up. It was right there. Maybe that's why all the cars were gathered around that spot. They knew that there was a solid granite car power-up right there, and now I'm able to waste Purple Pile Driver. And so here I go after the Riviera, and he flies into the water, so I wasn't quite able to waste them. But I've seen this time and time again in the game, that the AI knows what the power-ups, where they are, and exactly what their value is. But let's look at this one more time. Look how Vlad is completely off of the edge of the roadway here, and he doesn't fall because he's so eager to get to me, because there's a power-up right there. He's so eager to get to where the action is that he literally defies the laws of physics and gravity in order to get there. And I also like this bit here where all the cars gather together in one spot because they know there's a power-up. And what this leads to here is a very interesting point, and that is that the AI engine is able to predict the future. I mean, I hadn't even hit the power-up yet, and yet they knew that I was going to, or I had a good likelihood of doing it, and so they all gathered around at the same place at the same time, right there around the power-up. And like I said, I've seen this many times before in this game. So that leads to some very, that proves that we have some very impressive AI here that is able to not only know the value of the power-ups, but to even predict, when there's a good chance that the player is going to hit one, and to kind of, steer the game around in that direction. So I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out some of my other videos where I explore even more amazing aspects of the artificial intelligence in Carmageddon.